Hello and welcome to your first video tutorial for Adobe Photoshop CS6. As you can see, I have a Photoshop document open on my screen here, and on the title bar you can see it is Photoshop CS6. All I did was come down here to the PS icon on your desktop. It should be on your dock. If it is not on your dock, you could either use the search spotlight tool up here, or you could go to applications and find Photoshop that way. Notice currently the screen is a black color. That you don't actually have a Photoshop canvas up yet. If you go to the file menu and go to new and set this thing up here, I'll name this A1 and then your last name, you should name it. And I'll leave the width at 4 inches and the height at 4 inches. The resolution 72, that's okay. RGB color 8-bit, and the background contents is white. Eventually you may change some of these things, but for now we'll leave it like this. And if you hit OK, you'll see the canvas appears. And over here on your left hand side is where all your tools are located. Right here, if you put the arrow, your pointer on any of these tools and click on them, for example the brush tool, by clicking on the brush tool, that also changes the options up here on your options bar. So every tool has its own options. So if I just paint something on here, you can see currently it's gray. I could also change the color over here in my panels. These are called panels, and all your panels are located in the window menu up top here. The ones checked are currently present over there. If you wanted a different panel to be present over here on your panel section, you could actually click that and get it to come up. I'm just going to undo that brush tool, and I want to use the text tool, and I want to just enter some type here. CS6 stands for Creative Suite 6, and it's basically what it is a series of Adobe programs. Photoshop is in fact one of them. Another one would be, let's change it from 12-point text to, let's go with 18. Another one would be Premiere, Adobe Premiere, which is a video editing program. Another one would be InDesign, a desktop publishing program where you can make magazines, brochures, and things of that nature. Illustrator, which we'll probably also cover in this course a little bit. Flash, so you may have taken the animation course. That's another program here in the Adobe 6. Fireworks, which is used on the web to create animations on the web. And then finally down here, AE, After Effects, is also used for video, creating video and effects during video. You know, a car may blow up or something like that. So that's a basic overview of Adobe Photoshop, and I want you to save this, file save as A1. And notice the file extension for a Photoshop document is actually .psd. So you can go ahead and hit save. Make sure you're saving it in your folder, or for now, if you're logging in with the ELSD account, you could save it on the desktop and then transfer it over at a later time. But this is what it should look like, and I want you to go ahead and save it.